YouTube. I am totally sick today, and it is the 3rd of April. So yeah, this video is going to be shit, just like I'm feeling. Yeah, and still without any editing, so that should be annoying, just like last time. And sorry that the first video I made and also the one I made on my channel had a big audio problem. It's the audio and mic in my computer, which is the one I'm using to record this, because I can't find my camera because we just moved in, and that means that I have no idea where my things are, which is why my room looks like it does. Like boxes all the way over here. Just things everywhere. So yeah, sorry about that. And sorry I keep making creepy and disgusting sick noises. That's so nice. well, Becky is getting home tomorrow, I think, and she's going to make a video, I think, and I'm still going to have to punish her. So I know what the first punishment is going to be, but I have no idea what the other one is going to be, because she's missed 2 times. Well, then she isn't getting home. Then she isn't getting home tomorrow and making that video. Anyways, she's going to miss 2 times. That's what I've been told. So she's not coming tomorrow either. Thank you, Vicky. But yeah, help me figure out a punishment for her. I guess another one. That would be nice. Mean a lot to me. So I don't have to be all creative, which I am not. Yeah, besides that, it's Easter, so I don't know what you get, but we get Easter eggs. I got this one from my mom, and it's like huge, and with these cute ducks on it, and I really like it. I'm going to eat it today, I think. I think it's really cute too. So until I eat it, it's going to be like right next to my computer, so I just can look at it all the time, because that's lovely. And I have no idea what to say more, and I don't want to ramble on anymore. So bye, and see you, well, not tomorrow, but the day after.